Okay, we're going to look at, this is Ella's babies. So we're gonna see if does Ella have, that's Mirabelle. I'm just gonna get Ella's bin and get that started. I'm gonna throw them up there, get this here. There's that. If I don't shut the lid. All right, let's get started here. Hi guys, can I see if you guys peed? Can I see if you guys are peed? Look at you. This is a blue tort. We got a blue tort. Hi. Looks like a blue tort to me. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. They're gonna be gorgeous. Is your eyes open? Their eyes are just coming open. And we got another blue tort. Look at the ears. I am holding the other one. This is a blue tort. It's just a tiny one. Here is the runt. And you got your eyes open? Just a little squint. Just a little squint. This one's the runt. You're so small. Yes, you are. You make me sneeze. It's okay. It's okay. It's only me. It's only me. It's only me. It's okay. It's only me. Here's a blue. It's only me. Were you sleeping so much, huh? It's only me. Okay? It's only me. It's okay. Never hurt you. Okay? It's okay. Okay, it's only me. It's only me. Yeah, it's only me. Yeah, it's only me. And then we got a, yeah, blue otter. Yeah. Isn't that cute? Yes, I'm hoping you're a girl. I'm hoping. I'm hoping and you're praying that you're girls. Yeah, because you got the cutest little ears ever. Look at this cute little ears. Look at the cute, huh? Yes, you do. You got the cute little girls and cute little boys and cute little everythings. Yeah, that's so cute. Yeah, that's so cute. Why do y'all gotta be so cute? Here is Ella's babies. Look at you. We got an otter, and I think these are blue torts. Oh, I'll know more when they get a little older, but I'm not too entirely sure on colors. I'm learning colors as I go, but I do know that's an otter, blue otter. I know the other one's blue, and I think this is a blue tort. I am learning. Yes, I am. I like this one though. You're so cute. All of them are so cute. I'm gonna get your booty, booty, booty. Booty, booty, booty. Okay. Booty, 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 booty. Booty, 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 booty. Oh, there's your booty. There's your tail. Oh, when I touch your tail, look what you do. You're so funny. I'm gonna get your tail. Choo, 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 choo. Choo, 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 choo. You're so cute. I am going to clean the baby's cage for Maribel. So we're gonna check and see what color babies we have and see what she produced this time and clean out the box here. Hi, big fella. Hi, your eyes are opening. Yes, your eyes are opening. Look at your eyes are opening. Look at. We have a black tort. Hi, big one. Look at fella. I don't know if you're a girl or a boy, but you are so cute. And look at them gorgeous eyes. Yeah, look at the gorgeous eyes. You finally got your eyes open. You finally got them eyes open. Yeah. Let's put you in your... Yeah, your eyes are open. I'm going to put these here so I know they don't come flying out. That way I know. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Look at you. We got a tort. Or no, a try. It looks like a try. Yeah. We got a tort here. You want to come and play with your brother or sister? And we got a try. Hi. You gotta clean your... Look at the markings on that one. Okay, we're gonna put you back in here. Okay, you and your brother or sister. Okay, gotta clean out your nest. Please do not come out of your nest, okay? Here's another one. Yeah, I'm watching you. So you don't come flying out. Yes, here you go. Yeah, hi, guys and girls. Yeah, there. Come, there you go. I have to get them because they're trying to come out, and I'm like, eh. Here's another one. We got another try. Look at you. Yeah. It's going to be fun to see them grow and see where their spots are. Oh, we got another one. Look at this one. Look at that. Yeah, and you're okay with being held too. Yay. There you go. Good job. Oh, we got another tort. Black tort. So she had 2 black torts. Look at that. Your eyes are opening. Yeah. And one more. We got another one. Another try. Oh, look at this. You got the cutest little face ever. Now let's make sure we have no more. Should we count you? Just to make sure. We got 1, 2. Their eyes just opened. It's okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, you. Get over here. 6, 7. Look at all of them. Yeah, I don't want you guys to fall off though, okay? So let's get you put back in here. 1, 2. Can't go that far. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's Maribel's babies. So we got 2 black torts, and the rest are tricolored, just like a daddy. So we got Mama and Daddy's colors. Yes, we do. Aren't they just beautiful? What are you doing? Get with your brothers and sisters. I love this color. I'm a fan of the torts lately. Hey, 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 look at you. Hey, 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 escape artist.